More than 1400 years ago, in the harsh deserts of Arabia, a man was born who would change the course of human history forever. His name was Muhammad. But his story is not just about religion. It is a story of loss, patience, mercy, and unshakable faith. A story that continues to inspire billions even today. Muhammad was born in Mecca in the year 570 CE. But even before he was born, tragedy had already touched his life. His father passed away before his birth. At the age of 6, he lost his mother, and soon after, his grandfather also passed away. By the time he was a young boy, he had already faced more pain than many experience in a lifetime. Yet these hardships did not break him, they shaped him. As he grew, Muhammad became known for something rare in his society: honesty. People called him Al-Amin, meaning the trustworthy. In a world filled with injustice and corruption, he was the man people trusted with their wealth, their secrets, and their disputes. His character stood out, and it was this honesty that caught the attention of a respected businesswoman, Khadija. Their marriage became a bond of love, loyalty, and support, and she would become the first to believe in his message. However, Muhammad was deeply troubled by the world around him. People worshipped idols, the poor were neglected, and injustice was everywhere. In search of truth, he would retreat to a cave in the mountains. Then one night, everything changed. The angel Gabriel appeared to him with a message from God. Read. These were the first words of what would become the Quran. Shaken by the experience, he rushed home, but Khadija reassured him that Allah would never abandon a man of truth and kindness. As Muhammad began preaching the message of Islam, that there is only one God, the leaders of Mecca felt threatened. His message challenged their power, their beliefs, and their system. And so the persecution began. Muslims were mocked, beaten, and tortured. Despite this, Muhammad never responded with hatred. Instead, he taught patience, mercy, and forgiveness. Even when people threw stones at him, leaving him bleeding, he prayed not for revenge, but for their guidance. Eventually, Muhammad and his followers migrated to Medina. This journey, known as the Hijrah, marked a turning point in history. In Medina, a new kind of society was built, not based on tribe or power, but on justice, equality, and faith. He united people who had once been enemies and emphasized the rights of women, care for the poor, and protection of the weak. For the first time, people lived as a true community. Years later, Muhammad returned to Mecca, the city that had once rejected him. The people feared revenge, but what happened next shocked everyone. He forgave them. There was no revenge and no punishment, only mercy. This moment became one of the most powerful examples of forgiveness in history. In the year 632 CE, Muhammad passed away, but his message did not end. Today, more than 1 billion people follow his teachings. His life teaches us to be patient in hardship, to forgive when it is hardest, and to stand for truth even when we are alone. The story of Muhammad is not just history. It is a reminder that one person with sincerity, courage, and faith can change the world forever.